Feeling angry.
Why did you ignore my message?
I didn't ignore you, I was busy.
You saw it and didn't reply.
I saw it, but I couldn't answer at that moment.
You always do this.
That's not true, you're overreacting.
I just wanted a simple reply.
I understand, but I had a problem at work.
You could have told me later.
You're right, I'm sorry.
I just felt ignored.
I didn't mean to make you feel that way.
Okay, I understand now.
Let's not fight over small things.
Agreed. Feeling of love.
Can I be honest with you?
Always.
You've become a very important part of my life.
That means a lot to hear.
I feel safe when I talk to you.
I feel the same way with you.
You understand me in a way no one else does.
Because I really listen to you.
And I appreciate that so much.
You deserve to be heard.
You support me when I feel weak.
And you make me stronger too.
I didn't expect to feel this way.
Sometimes the best things are unexpected.
I think I'm falling in love with you.
I've been feeling that for a while.
Really?
Yes, I just didn't know how to say it.
I'm glad you did now.
Me too.
Feeling of confusion.
I've been thinking all night.
About what?
A big decision.
Tell me.
I got 2 job offers.
That's great.
Yes, but I don't know which one to choose.
What's the difference?
One has a higher salary.
And the other?
It has a better environment and growth.
That's a tough choice.
I'm really confused.
Think about your long-term goals.
I want to grow and be happy.
Then maybe the second job is better.
You might be right.
Trust your feelings.
I'll take my time to decide.
Feeling of frustration.
I don't understand why I keep failing.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to improve my English.
That takes time.
I practice every day, but I don't see results.
Progress is slow, but it's happening.
It doesn't feel like it.
Do you remember how you spoke before?
Not really.
You've improved a lot.
Really?
Yes, you just don't notice it.
That's interesting.
Keep practicing. Don't stop now.
I'll try again.
That's the spirit.
Feeling of excitement.
Guess what? We're going to the amusement park tomorrow. Really? That's amazing. I can't wait to go on the roller coasters. Me too. I've been looking forward to it all week. It's going to be so much fun. I know. I can already feel the adrenaline. Let's plan which rides to go on first. Absolutely. This is going to be an epic day. I'm so excited I can't sleep tonight. Same here.
Feeling of fear.
Did you hear that sound again?
Yes, it's coming from outside.
I don't like this.
Me neither. It's really quiet.
Maybe it's just the wind.
It doesn't sound like the wind.
Should we check?
I'm scared to go alone.
I'll come with you.
Okay, let's go slowly.
Turn on the light.
Wait, look at that.
Oh, it's just a cat.
That scared me so much.
Me too. My heart is still racing.
At least it's nothing dangerous.
Feeling of gratitude. I've been thinking about something.
What is it?
I never thanked you properly.
You don't have to.
But I want to. You helped me a lot.
I was just being a friend.
It was more than that. You stayed with me during my worst days.
I couldn't leave you alone.
That meant everything to me.
I'm glad I could support you.
I don't say this often, but I truly appreciate you.
That means a lot.
I'm lucky to have you in my life.
And I'm lucky to have you too.
Thank you for everything.
Anytime. Always.
Feeling of anxiety. I can't stop thinking about tomorrow.
The interview?
Yes, I'm really nervous.
That's normal. It's an important moment.
What if I say something wrong?
Everyone makes small mistakes. It's okay.
What if they don't like me?
Just be yourself. That's enough.
I don't feel confident.
Confidence comes from preparation.
I've prepared, but I still feel scared.
Fear doesn't mean you're not ready.
Really?
Yes, it means you care.
That makes sense.
Think of it as a conversation, not a test.
That sounds less stressful.
Take a deep breath and speak slowly.
I'll try that.
You're going to do great.
I hope so. Thank you for calming me down.
Feeling of surprise. Guess what happened today?
What?
I won a free trip to Paris.
Wow, are you serious?
I can't believe it myself.
That's amazing. How did it happen?
I entered a contest online and forgot about it. Incredible! You must be so excited. I am. I still feel like it's a dream. You totally deserve it.
Feeling of embarrassment. I had the worst moment today.
What happened?
I was talking confidently in a meeting.
That sounds good so far.
Then I realized I was talking about the wrong topic.
Oh no.
Everyone was looking at me, confused.
What did you do?
I tried to fix it, but it got worse.
That's so awkward.
I could feel my face getting red.
I know that feeling.
I just wanted the meeting to end.
Did anyone say anything?
No, but the silence was enough.
Don't worry, people will forget.
I hope so.
We all have embarrassing moments.
I guess I'm not the only one.
Definitely not.
Feeling of empathy.
I've had a really rough day at work.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
My project got rejected even after all my hard work.
That must be so frustrating. I understand how you feel.
I just feel like giving up sometimes.
Don't be too hard on yourself. You did your best.
Thanks. It helps to hear that.
I'm here for you. You're not alone.
I really appreciate your support.
Anytime. We'll get through this together.
Feeling happy. Hey, you look so happy today.
I am. I finally passed my exam.
That's amazing. I know you worked hard.
Yes, I studied every day for weeks.
See, hard work always pays off.
I was so nervous before the results.
I can imagine. What did you do when you saw it?
I checked my phone 3 times to be sure.
I would do the same.
Then I called my family immediately.
They must be proud of you.
They are. My mom was so happy.
You deserve this moment. Enjoy it.
Thank you. I really feel proud of myself. Feeling of stress.
I feel like I'm running out of energy.
You've been working non-stop.
I wake up tired and sleep tired.
That's not sustainable.
I have too many responsibilities.
You need to take care of yourself, too.
I don't know how to balance everything.
Start with small changes.
Like what?
Take short breaks during the day,
Even if I'm busy?
especially when you're busy.
That's interesting.
And try to disconnect after work.
I'll try.
Your health is more important than anything.
You're right. I need to remember that. Feeling of confidence. I've been thinking about my life lately.
And?
I realized I was holding myself back.
How?
I was afraid of failing, so I didn't try.
That happens to many people.
But I don't want to live like that anymore.
That's a powerful decision.
I want to take risks and grow.
That's how you learn.
Even if I fail, I'll try again.
That's real confidence.
I believe in myself now.
And that changes everything.
I feel stronger already.
Keep going. You're on the right path.
Feeling of relief. I finally finished my final exams.
That's great. How do you feel?
Relieved. I can finally relax.
I bet. You must be exhausted.
I am, but at least it's over.
Take a break. You deserve it.
I will. Maybe a short trip this weekend?
Sounds perfect. Enjoy the peace.
I'm really looking forward to it.
You earned this calm.
Feeling of disappointment. I didn't get the job I applied for.
Oh, no. I'm sorry.
I worked so hard preparing for the interview.
I know. But maybe it wasn't the right fit.
It still feels frustrating.
I understand. It's okay to feel disappointed.
I just hoped for a different outcome.
There will be other opportunities.
I hope so. I don't want to give up.
Don't give up. You're talented.
Feeling of jealousy. Did you see Emma's new car?
Yeah, it's really nice.
I wish I could afford something like that.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
It's just everyone seems to have better things than me.
Material things aren't everything.
I know, but it still stings a little. Maybe focus on what you do have. You're right, I need to appreciate it more.
Exactly.
Feeling of satisfaction. I finally finished my first painting.
That's awesome! Can I see it?
Sure, I'm really proud of how it turned out.
You should be. It looks amazing.
I didn't think I could do it at first.
See? Hard work pays off.
I feel so satisfied with myself.
You earned every bit of that pride.
Thanks. I can't wait to start the next one.
I can't wait to see it too.
Feeling of regret. I shouldn't have yelled at my brother yesterday.
Why? What happened?
He was just trying to help, and I got angry for no reason.
Sounds like you feel guilty.
I do. I feel terrible.
Maybe you should apologize.
I will. I just don't know what to say.
Keep it simple and honest.
I'm sorry for yelling. I didn't mean it.
Perfect. He'll understand. Feeling sad. You've been quiet lately. Are you okay?
Not really. I feel lost.
What do you mean?
I don't know what I want in life.
That's normal. Many people feel that way.
But it's scary. I feel like I'm wasting time.
You're not. You're still learning and growing.
It doesn't feel like that.
Sometimes progress is slow, but it's still progress.
I hope so.
Try new things. Talk to new people.
Maybe that will help.
It will. You just need time.
Thank you for listening.
Anytime. You're not alone.